Well, folks, the fraud trial for Donald Trump is about to wrap up, but before they can do that, the defense has one more witness that is supposed to take the stand. Supposed to. But legal experts are already saying, there's a good chance he may just say, screw it, I'm not going to do it. And that one person is Donald Trump himself. For some reason, the defense thought it was a smart idea to end the trial with Donald Trump not being questioned by them, but being questioned on cross-examination by the prosecutors. So that'll be the last thing that people hear before the closing arguments, is the prosecutors absolutely dismantling Donald Trump. So bad scheduling on behalf of Trump's lawyers, as per usual, but it's what they did, so it's what we got. And according to these legal experts, not only is the prosecution grilling Trump the last thing we're going to hear, but these legal experts say that Trump's lawyers are probably panicking right now because they're terrified over what he might say when he takes the stand tomorrow, if he takes the stand tomorrow. This is MSNBC legal analyst Lisa Rubin. She had this to say. I'm not positive Donald Trump is going to testify. I can tell you, looking at you here, I know Donald Trump wants to testify, but his lawyers desperately wanted to lift the gag order that's still in place. They weren't able to do so. They asked Judge Engoron to pause the trial. He would not do so. They told me to my face the day before they weren't going to ask him that because they know how it was going to go. That signals to me that they're afraid of having their client on the stand and inches away from the principal law clerk he can't talk about when he testifies. I'll tell you also, he didn't answer any questions yesterday in the hallway. He speechified, talking about Donald Trump and, just kind of his interactions with reporters. But they wanted the gag order lifted because Donald Trump just wanted to take the stand, not to defend his actions or defend his company. He just wanted to attack everybody in the courtroom. Like, he wanted one last try to say, okay, I'm up here. I don't give a damn about the fraud. Look at this idiot over here. What a piece of... that's what he wanted to do. And that's kind of what his lawyers are admitting here. It's like, well, we kind of just thought he'd come up there and just beat the hell out of everybody. And now we can't do that. So we don't even know he's going to do it. Now we're scared because now if he does it, he's going to be held in contempt. And if he's held in contempt, then Engoron at this point could just say, you know what? I'm not going to fine you. I don't want to take any more of your money. You're going to go sit in lockup until this trial concludes. It's probably only a few days from that point. So bye. And the judge, by the way, does have the authority to do that. And the judge should do that. Judge could have done it after the first time. Should have done it after the second time. Definitely, I think, would have no choice but to do it after the third time. So here's the thing. Donald Trump will get up there and take the stand, right? His lawyers will talk to him. They'll give him softball questions. He'll explain stuff. He'll attack the people he's allowed to attack. But then the prosecutors are going to get up there, and this is going to be the last thing. They're probably going to ask him why every expert witness that his own people called admitted that prices were inflated, that yes, fraud took place, but they all said you weren't involved in it. So were you just that bad of a businessman? They can corner him with the evidence that Trump's own lawyers brought forward. They can crack him, kind of like Tom Cruise did to Jack Nicholson and A Few Good Men. Now, you technically in court can't do what Tom Cruise did, but still, those lawyers can kind of needle him enough to where he might have the kind of outburst that would destroy his case and lead to his businesses being dissolved. And again, that's because Trump's lawyers set it up that way because either they just don't care or they're just really even worse than we thought.